Well, somebody's. Oh yeah. All right, so we want to change out this old bow roller that's cracked, and all it does is slide and mark up everything to this non-mark roller. So we got a 3,000-pound boat on here, so how do we get it out of the way to change the roller without launching the thing? Well, I'm going to show you how. Some of you may know this and some of you may not. Okay, so make sure your wheels are chocked so that the trailer's not going to roll anywhere. And crank it up pretty much as high as it'll go. That's as high as she'll go. Don't force it. And get some good blocks. What we're going to do is we're going to put the blocks in into the bow here. Okay, so we've got the blocks on the bow. Now we're going to lower the trailer down, see what happens. And that should be enough to get the new roller in there. So somebody's. Oh yeah. Okay, somebody has bent it a little bit, so probably not going to roll very good, but it'll be better than the old one, that's for sure. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's because this one is a standard 13/16 on this end and a 19 mil on the other side. All right, there's a new roller on. Now we just have to let it back down. And we'll put this stuff back on. I always like to leave the tongue off, so the weight off the tongue, so that that's on the blocks instead, or the tongue jack. And don't forget to crank her up again. Crank her up, put the safety chain back on, and it's good. And that's it. That's all there is to it.